In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cinebench for ultimate CPU performance benchmarking. Cinebench remains one of the most trusted benchmarking tools for testing the real-world performance of your CPU. Developed by Maxon, it uses the same rendering engine as Cinema 4D, which makes it an excellent indicator of how your processor handles intensive, multi-threaded tasks. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a tech enthusiast, running Cinebench can give you a clear picture of how powerful your CPU really is. To download Cinebench, head over to the official Maxon website or the Microsoft Store, where the latest version is always available. The program is completely free and lightweight, so installation is quick. Once you've downloaded the installer, simply run it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Cinebench doesn't require a complicated configuration, and you can start benchmarking almost immediately after installation. When you launch Cinebench, you'll notice two main test modes, multi-core and single-core. The multi-core test pushes all your processor cores to their limits, making it ideal for understanding how well your CPU performs in tasks like 3D rendering, video editing, and heavy multitasking. The single core test, on the other hand, evaluates the raw speed of an individual core, which is important for applications and games that don't fully utilize multiple cores. After the benchmark is complete, Cinebench provides a score that you can compare with other CPUs worldwide to see where your hardware stands. In 2025, Cinebench R24 is the most current version, offering more demanding tests that better reflect modern workloads. This makes it especially useful for evaluating the latest Intel and AMD processors. If you're planning on upgrading your PC or just want to squeeze every bit of performance out of your system, Cinebench is the go-to tool to measure your CPU's real-world power. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.